Do you want to make $50 per day with Google while sleeping? And also, do you want to go from $50 per day to $100 per day? Then make sure to watch this video till the end, because this can really help you to make $50, $100. So today we are going to use Udemy and Google, and we are going to make lots and lots of money with 100% free method. And also we can make this much money while we are sleeping, because Google will do the all of the work for us. Okay, so what we are going to do, the step one over here is actually finding a course topic. So how you can actually find a course topic? For example, if you are good at anything, then you can simply create a course into that niche. For example, you know how to do the coding and all that thing, so you can simply create a course on coding. But if you don't know anything, like you don't have a specialty in anything, then how you can actually create a course? Now there are two ways you can do that. First of all, you can simply just head over to YouTube and can start learning about the topic with which you want to create the course. For example, you want to create a course on like how to play the guitar, so you can simply just search over here like guitar lessons and whatever it is, and then you can learn from the YouTube. You can see over here are thousands of videos you can see and learn from YouTube, and can create a course. And you don't need to be an expert. For example, in order to create a course, you can find a guy who is really good at teaching guitar, and then you can simply just learn from every single day, learn something from him, and then just teach the same thing in your course. And that's all you need to do. And if you do not want to do this thing, you can simply go to Fiverr and can hire someone to create the course for you. You can see there are a lot of people who are going to record the videos and all those things for you. And if you want to create a tutorial course, you can simply just download a free software called OBS, and you will be easily able to just create a course by recording your screen. You don't even have to show your face. So that's what you can do. And it's not really a rocket science to create a course. All you need to do, just learn one new thing from here and then just share it in your course. And after like 5-10 days, you can simply pack it up and can just simply just start selling it on the Udemy. Let me show you the power of the Udemy. Okay, so as you can see that the price of this course is about $5. Okay, we are going to take it as $5, and over 2,700 people have already joined this. So over $10,000, this course alone has made over $10,000, not just 10 but to 14 $15,000 with just one course. And the best part about this is that you don't need to do anything after you have created the course. All you need to do, you just create a course, and the Udemy is going to do the marketing for you. The only thing you need to do, you just need to simply just give an initial push to your course. So how we are going to do that? So after completing the first step, you need to start building your course. As I told you, just learn from here and start creating a course. And thereafter comes the third step on how we are going to start selling our course for free, and how we can make the Google our assistant so that it is going to work for us. Okay, so now over here, you for example, you are going to create a course on like how to make money with YouTube. So just search over here like how to make money on YouTube. When you are going to search over here, it is going to reveal all of the results that people are actually searching. Okay, so so as you can see over here, the people are actually searching for these things. So you need to just copy all of these keywords and then just paste it in your notepad. Okay, so after you are going to just create your course, you need to start selling it on Udemy. And how you can use the Google to sell it? Okay, so let me show you the power of the Google in this case. So when I just search for affiliate marketing courses, lots of affiliate marketing course coming up, and the best part is the top 3 results are from the Udemy. Just look at this. This is the paid result, and both of these are the organic result. So how you can actually come over here and can get your results to be sold by Google? You might be thinking that's really crazy. It's not actually, because Udemy is a high authority domain, and Udemy will be given the preference to come on the first result of the Google, because it is having the high authority domain. The ranking of the domain of Udemy is high, so you will be easily able to rank on the first page of the Google with the help of the Udemy. So that's why we choose Udemy. So now how you can actually come on the first page of the Google, or at least you can simply just come in the search result on the Udemy. For example, when someone is going to search for like how to make money on YouTube on Udemy, And then if you can simply just come up over here or maybe over here, you will be able to sell literally lots and lots of courses. So how you can actually do that? So for that, let's say we are going to use this course, and I'm going to tell him what you need to do in order to come on the first page of Google and also on the first page of Udemy over. So in order to do this, Udemy needs two things. One is your course should be have the keyword, a lot of times the keyword. For example, like how to make money with YouTube. When I search for this, so the course is having in the title like how to make money with YouTube. So you need to have at least one time in the title, at least one keyword in the title, like how to make money on YouTube. Okay, how to make money with YouTube. And then over here is the subtitle. Here you must have the keyword, and I do believe that you should have at least 2 to 3 keywords into this. For example, like YouTube marketing strategy, like a YouTube success, how to make money with YouTube marketing, etc, etc. So there are 3 4 keywords. So it's essential to have at least one keyword over here, like how to make money with YouTube and YouTube marketing and YouTube success. So this course is having over 3 keywords in the title. You should have at least one. And then the second step over here is actually having the YouTube, at least 2 to 3 keywords in the YouTube subtitle, because subtitle in the Udemy subtitle, because this is the most important part over here. Okay, and thereafter you have done this step, you will be seen over here like what you will learn. So over here again, this will also be considered with the keywords. If you are going to have like some keywords in this whole over here in the description, then probably the chances of ranking on the first page of the Google and at least on the Udemy are going to be huge. Okay, so for that you can simply just add up more and more time over here, like 2 3 times in the over here, and in the description over here, like how to make money on YouTube course, etc, etc, YouTube marketing strategy, as you can see over here, how to make money with YouTube marketing strategy, YouTube affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing strategy. So this course has been already added a lot of keywords, a lot of, that is also one of the biggest reason that this is actually ranking on the top page of the Udemy. Okay, so if you can get the course over there, then you will start getting lots and lots of people to join your course. And the second thing over here that people actually look over here is actually the ratings. Okay, ratings, or how many the students are actually involved, the reviews and all these things. But how you can get all these things as a total beginner? So if you want to do that, there are a lot of methods to do that. The first method is, what you can actually do, you can simply create a free course first of all, and after that a lot of the students will enroll into that. Then you can simply create a paid course, and then you can send a promotional email from the Udemy about the new course that you have created. Because when you are going to have a free course and there are a lot of students into that, then with the help of the Udemy you can promote other course with your by simply emailing using Udemy. So that's one of the easy thing you can do to get lots and lots of students into your new paid course. This is very easy. Okay, and the second thing you can actually do, you can simply just create a paid course, and then you can simply just search on the Google like free Udemy courses. Okay, and when you are going to search over there, you are going to see lots and lots of websites that are going to provide you the free courses. So you need to go on those websites, and then you just need to find a place where you can also submit your course over there. So let's see, we can submit over here. So as you can see over here, submit your Udemy coupon. So what you are going to do, you can actually give your course for free over here, so more and more people will enroll into your course, and they are going to you will be able to see more people into your course, and also the rating is going to up, because more and more people will watch it and they are going to give it rating. So that's what you can actually do, and there are thousands of websites of free Udemy courses. So what you need to do, you need to submit it, try submitting it for like 20 30 websites. All you need to do, just create a paid course, and then just create a coupon with like a free, with which you will be able to give them any discount you want, or you can also give the course for free. So after you have done that, you will be having so many students enrolled into your course. And also you can do one thing, you can simply hop onto Facebook and can start looking for all of the groups related to free Udemy courses. So you can see free Udemy courses, and there are lots and lots of groups like 20,000 members, 5,000 members. And if you can get at least like 100 200 people on your in your course, and total up you can get like 500 people in your course, even if it's free, you will get lots of people, and out of those 500, only 5 people are going to enroll in your new course. And this is how you will keep on getting more and more students into your course, and that's how you are going to get more and more rating, and your course will keep on going up and up. And the more it is going to be getting better, more and more students, it is also going to start ranking on the first page of the Google, and then you will start getting sales on autopilot. And if your course is going to be too good, then maybe Udemy is also going to start running ads for your course. Just look at this. So that's how you are easily able to make like $50 a day with Google, and how you can actually go from like $50 a day to $100 a day. So let me show you how this whole process actually works over here. So when you are going to create a paid course, the Udemy is also going to give another option where you can send them the promotional email. That means you can have the link to go to your going to your own pages, sales pages, opt-in pages, and all those things. So what you are going to do, let's say we are going to take this website as Udemy, and we are going to simply just send an email from the Udemy for all of the students who have enrolled into our paid course, to giving them something for free. It can be a free ebook or it can be a free course, and then we are going to simply capture their email address. And after that, what we are going to do, we are going to simply just start collecting their email address. And then in the future, for example, like Udemy gives a lot of it gives lots of discount. For example, you don't want to sell a course for like $5, but the Udemy will not allow you to sell it for more than like $10-20. That's, I think, the highest point where you can sell the course for on Udemy. And also Udemy is going to take a charge of 50% when they are going to sell the course themselves. That means if the course will be sold from here, or maybe from here, if the course will be sold by any paid marketing by Udemy, then you will get 25% of your cost price. By the organic result from the Google, then will be sold for like about you are going to get like 50% of whatever the price of your cost. The 50% will be kept by Udemy. And then if you are going to have anything like if your course is going to be sold by yourself, then only you are going to get 97%. But again, if you don't want to sell for more than $10, Udemy will not allow you to do that. So now after you are going to collect their email address, you are going to simply create a course, a new course, and then you are going to sell it at your own pricing. Maybe you wanted to sell it for like you want to sell it for like $50. So every sale you are going to make will be 10 times more profitable than the courses you are going to sell on the Udemy. So the best thing over here is you are going to drive the traffic from the YouTube to get sell some of the courses, and thereafter you are going to build an email list. And then let's say if you are going to sell your course for like $100, and all you just need one sale every single day. You just need one student for this course, for your course of $100, and you will be making over $100. And also a lot of people will be coming into your paid course. You can email them free something, and then you can start selling them course. And that's how you will be easily able to go from $50 to $100 per day with the help of the Google and Udemy. And if you believe that this is a crazy method, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will now see you in another video.